Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want us to analyze the market together. uh, if this is your first time joining me or joining this channel, I'm called Takum Dangubel. I'm a beginner trader, so I just want to be showing you guys my learning process, how I take from a beginner to a professional level, and I want to document everything I'm doing as concerned trading. So I just want us to do a quick analysis of the market so far and see how the market is going. So today is Thursday, it's 5:35 p.m. GMT plus one in West Africa Cameroon time. So I'll be doing some analysis, maybe place some trades that can run over the night, or maybe can run over for like 3 days, and this time I'll be going with higher lot size to see how I can adapt with swing trading. So it's actually swing trading. So let's dive inside the analysis. Okay, I'll first of all start with the JPY, Great Britain Pounds, USD, which you all guys have been showing you guys from my previous video, and I did an analysis. Look at it. I did explain something which is actually happening. So I told you guys with Great Britain Pounds USD, we're gonna be having something like an evening star. We're going to be having something like an evening star here. So I definitely I can short the market. I can shut it down here. But I explained to you, I told you guys, I don't want to short it at this point. I want the market to reach at this level, at this my psychological level. Then from there I'm going to be making some decision. So this market, I'm not going to do anything here for now, but I'm just watching the market. I know tomorrow it's going to reach this point. When it reaches this point, then I'm going to make some decision if I'm long in the market or I'm shorting it. So that is it with the Great Britain Pound. You know, it's the a trade I've been following up uh, for maybe a week now, and it's actually has been trading upward. When you look at it, let me go a little bit backward. Then when you look at it, there was an uptrend, so I've been following the trade. You have the upward trend, so I've actually been following the trade. So this is my speculation with the trade. So don't mind me with the small arrow stuff. It was just for my illustration, and this is with the higher time frame. So I was just illustrating how the market's gonna move. When I expand it, you're gonna see how it's gonna move. So let's move straight to the next currency pair, which is Great Britain Canadian dollar, Great Britain cat. Okay, let's see how the market, what the market is saying. Okay, we move on to the higher time frame. We move on to the higher time frame. Now I want to do those do a multi time frame analysis as a top bottom analysis. We start with the higher time frames. So, okay, let me just go a little bit backwards since I'm using my phone. Okay, guys, like I told you, I'm actually working on my working space. I'm trying to revamp my working space so that I'll be giving you guys good content, good video, and maybe possible good explanation, and maybe trying to teach people who are wants to join the trading journey, because I've been trading for like about I've been studying for about 3 months now. So I plan to add 2 months to my trading before I actually start a, a live market. Okay, this is an upward trend. I have my support and resistance plotted. So this is an upward trend. If you like, you can add another trend line here. Let me actually remove these arrows so that we can do analysis together, so that you guys understand the analysis. Trying to remove some arrows that I did some analysis with it. Okay, looking at this market, you see the market started here. It's just the same, like it's with Great Britain USD. It's almost the same because their cat is related to United States dollar. So they're normally gonna move on the same direction. So when you look at it, it bounces here. The first bounce, the second bounce, the third bounce, and third band is still moving upward. It is at my psychological levels. It is at my psychological level. So this is my trend line. Normally it's gonna go up, but looking at this psychological level, we are at the daytime, the daytime frame, the daily time frame. I want us to move down to 4 hour time frame. Then we see how it's behaving. Then we can make a lot of decision. Okay, looking at this psychological level, or this resistance, you see that there are a lot of wicks forming up. The explanation here is that the sellers comes in, pushes the market down. They are pushing the markets down. The market, the trade might have opened somewhere, we don't know, anywhere around here, around this one. Opens, goes, maybe goes up. The buyers push it up, then the sellers push it down, and they are now going down. So the market actually opens up at this position here. So the buyers push it up here, the sellers came in, push it up down, and now they are going down. So upon seeing this kind of weak rejection, I should be thinking that be thinking that I want to short the market. But now I don't just want to short the market like that. I have to look at other maybe the lower time frame. Though we are in an upward trend, and I was expecting that normally this market's going to come right up here. So because it is resistance level, when you look at it, it bounces here, bounces here many times, and we should be careful with this uh level. It might not go above this level, but it might come down back. So I'm not just gonna enter this trade. I'm still gonna wait for maybe a confirmation candle. The next candle will tell me that this, or maybe the close of this candle, when the candle closes, then I can now be thinking of, well, okay, I will move down to a lower time frame to see the behavior. So let's just suppose of all move to the lower time frame, because this is a 4 hour time candlestick, this wick that is forming like that. So let's move down to the lower time frame to see how the market is doing. So I've moved to a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I want to see the behavior of the market, the 1 hour time frame. Okay, when you look at it, it's actually still going down. So to me, I still really don't want to make a decision that is the market is coming down, because we are actually in an upward trend. But I can finally make a decision that we're gonna be shorting if actually this trade comes down here and break this level. If it breaks this level, definitely I know it's a reversal trade here, because it's going to be forming now lower low rather than forming a higher low. So this one will be our lower high and lower low. So for now, we are still looking at the market, so I'm not going to do anything. But the other way around, when if the market can come and retrace a little bit, then goes up backward, goes up again, and break my trend, my resistance level. So if the market breaks the resistance level above, if the market closes above this resistance level, it's still an upward movement, so I'll definitely go long, which is actually I'm trading with my trend. So I really don't trade against my trend unless I am really sure of what I'm doing. So as a beginner, avoid trading against your trend. Trade with the trend. So if we are say we want to catch some pips here, I want to calculate how many pips. It's going to be 203 pips. So a lot of pips I can catch here. So for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to watch the market and see if there's a break of this structure. this line, this horizontal line. If the market comes and breaks below this horizontal line, then definitely I'm shorting. But if it doesn't break, it can come and retrace and form a new since this is a higher low, and form a new higher low here and goes up and break this resistance level. So that is it with JP. Even if I move down to the 15-minute candle, the 15-minute candle only helps me to do the sniper entry, to actually time where I have to enter should in case I want to minimize my stop loss. Okay, look at something. There's something interesting going on here. Uh, if you have been studying, or if you know about the candlestick pattern or candlestick chart formation, this is typically a head and a shoulder. You can see it there. This is the first shoulder. This is the first shoulder. Let me show you. This is actually now a second shoulder is forming. This is the head. This is the second shoulder. This is the first shoulder. This is the head. This is the second shoulder. The second shoulder going to form. And when the second shoulder forms here, boom, definitely it's going down. So I'm just keeping my self watching the market, and I explained to you guys in the looking at the lower time frame, if this structure is being broken here, definitely I'm going to short the market. But I don't want to short the market because even right there, looking at the 15 candlestick, we still have another point of market not respecting the structure. If it breaks here, because these are the last this thing. If it breaks, if this breaks, definitely breaks here, I know it's coming here, I can catch some pips and comes here. Definitely, let me see how many pips can we pick those within this short distance. 27 pips. If you want to scalp, you can scalp. If you can scalp. So this is a head and a shoulder at the 15-minute candle chart. So this is how I'm looking at Great Britain pounds cat. So this is my trade for Great Britain pounds and cat. So all will depend on the candlestick formation. Now let's move on to the next chart. Go back to higher time frame. The next chart we have here is Great Britain pound JPY. Okay, Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see what is happening with Great Britain pound JPY. Okay, we are in the daily time frame. Let me move to an hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. Okay, with the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, the market is going up. Just looking at it, is going up because we if I entered here, because normally there was